Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structures. Check for the presence of an element with index of. Since arrays can be changed or mutated at any time, there is no guarantee about where a particular piece of data will be on a given array or if that element even still exists. Luckily, JavaScript provides us with another built-in method, indexOf, that allows us to quickly and easily check for the presence of an element on an array. IndexOf takes an element as a parameter and when called it returns the position of index of that element or -1 if the element does not exist. For example, we have a variable fruits which contain array containing apples, pears, orange, pears string. So if we want to find the index of dates, then it will return -1 since it's not present in this array. If we want to find oranges, it will return 2 since the index of orange is 2. And in case of pears, it will return 1. The first index at the with the element exists. And it is 0th index apples. Task for this challenge. indexOf can be incredibly useful for quickly checking the presence of an element on an array. We have defined a function QuickCheck that takes an array and an element as arguments. Modify the function using indexOf so that it returns true if the past element exists on an array and false if it doesn't. In this case, we have array arr dot index of element. Let index equal to this. If index equal to -1, in that case return false. Else return true. Let's run the tests and download my solution. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then.